This is being implemented in Ethiopia. It's basically very straightforward. It's to apply for a unique taxpayer identification number on the internet by the taxpayer. This will decrease the cost, this will increase convenience, and it will also eventually increase compliance. So this is a sign up the login page. Basically, you have to create a user account to be able to log in and then create your application. So as you can see, if you already have a username and password, very simple, you just log in. And if you don't, there's 3 hyperlinks that you can click in order to sign up for an account. If you click on sign up, new user, sign up for a new user, it will bring you to the same page, which is here. So once you log in, and once you've created your account, it will bring you to the first page, which is to enter personal information in order to create your account. So this is once you want to sign up for a new account. You enter your email, your username, your password. There's some security questions that you ask in case you forget your password. And once you've done that and you've logged in, you can get to the application page. This is basically the home page, and you'll see a listing of all the applications and their statuses. And if you want to start a new application, you click on Start New Application, and it will bring you to the new application page. If you are a new individual, it will bring you to the new individual section. If you're a non-individual, such as a corporation or an enterprise, then it will bring you to a different page for non-individuals. So for this example, you'll see screenshots for a new individual. So on the left side, you can see there's a very intuitive train to let the user know which step they're at. So the first part is the personal information. So obviously the sex, the name. In Ethiopia, they use a lot of different names, so that's why there's a lot of fields just for the name. If I go down, it's a continuation of the personal information, and you can see that mandatory fields are all indicated with an asterisk. And if these fields are not entered, there will be a validation if you try to go on to the next step. If I continue, this is a continuation of the personal page. More information about the address and the country information. If I click on next, I'm at the tax representative. So on the left side now you can see that what was completed will have like a green radio button, and the current page, the active page where the taxpayer is on now, will be highlighted in bold. And so this is tax representative information. If ever there is a tax agent that's representing this taxpayer, you can enter the information. So next, bank information. Again, if you want to create a new one, you click on add. If you want to cancel your current activity, you click on cancel. If you want to go to the next step, you click on next. Previous, you click on the previous. So as you can see, it's very easy to use, very simple. Very intuitive for the user. So more information, if ever there's an individual enterprise, the information will have to be entered here. The continuation of the individual enterprise information. If there's a contact person, you would enter it here also. You can enter more than one person by clicking on the add button. And finally, you have the review and submit. So it's like a confirmation before you submit it. And all this information is interfaced with the SICTAS application. So whatever is entered here will be brought back into the SICTAS database, and the Inland Revenue will be able to see the start of the application. So there will be a unique TIN application number that will be generated in SICTAS to see if your application will be accepted or not. And once it's been submitted and reviewed by the Inland Revenue, the taxpayer can come back to the home page and check his status, as I showed you on one of the first slides. And finally, they can come back and just enter their submission number that they received at the end of the process and click on the See Status button, and they'll be able to see whether it's still pending, if it's approved, or has it been rejected?